one is full of it. We got a storm coming in tomorrow. And he is full of himself at the moment. Even though we got to go out and play yesterday, he says, I'm going to try everything. Whoop, whoop. Let's trot. Good boy. Now it's time to start thinking and paying attention. Time to start thinking and paying attention. Nope, 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 nope. You trot. I know we got a storm coming in. Now I'm going to ask you to come around. Come left. Come around. Come left. Good boy. No. Trot. Trot. Good boy. Gale is a coming 2-year-old. And he's smart as a whip and eager to work. And still at the age where he's going to try everything. So his fussing at the line behind his butt is going to get changed a lot by the fact that he's going to wear a blanket tonight with hind leg straps. And he's not going to like it, and I don't care. Come around. Nope. Come around. Come right. Come around. Come right. Good boy. Yes, you suddenly realized you had to pay attention, huh? This is day 2 with the long lines. And it's cold out here today. Keep trotting. Nope. Come on, just trot. Come around. Come left. Come around. Good boy. Quit. Time to pick up the whip. Let's come around. Come around, come right. Come right. Good boy. Yeah. How about that? It's the second day anybody's had pressure on his mouth. He's fussing about it. He's fussing about everything. But he is behaving in that he's following commands. Trot. Good boy. Gale, whoa. 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 Walk on. Walk on. Good boy. Nope. Oh, good. Oh, good. He's got a line between his hind legs. I do that with them. I let them get between their hind legs. One line, both lines. I let them wrap around a leg. I want them to learn at a very young age, nope, nope, you walk, that all of that means nothing. It's not worth getting upset about. That's a good boy. Look at you walk like a gentleman. Walk on. All right, now we're going to come around. Come left. Come left. come left, come around, come left. That's right, good boy. Good boy. And trot. See, now he still has a line hanging on his hind legs, and he's saying, oh, I don't know about that. Well, get over it. Stuff happens. Gale, walk. Easy. Walk. Walk. Easy. Walk on. Good. No, no, no. Just easy. Just walk. Good boy. Walk on. He wanted to come across. I didn't want him to. You can walk and poop. Walk on. All right, now we're going to come right, come around, come right, come right. That's right, good boy. Come right, come right. I'm serious. Good boy. Nope. Good boy. That's right. Good boy. And the next 2 days may be kind of dicey for working because it's supposed to get bitter cold again. And I don't do bitter cold very well. What a good boy. Gale, can you walk? What a good boy. Look at you. Walk on. Good boy. Okay, we're going to make another turn, Gale. Come around, come left. Come around, come left. Come left. Yes, good boy. Oh, we're about to have a fight here. Nope, we aren't. Good boy. Trot. Gale, let's walk. Easy. Just walk. Whoa. It's a good boy. Whoa. I want to approach him and get that line out from around his leg. Yes, that's a good boy. And you see, I'm pulling that line around his leg and he is not concerned about it. That is extremely important in the long run. Let's walk on. Walk on. Good boy. Walk on. All right, I want you to come around, come right. Come around, come right. Come right. Good boy. Trot. Good boy. Really? Really? Do you want to get fussy? Yeah, we're going to find a blanket for you tonight, son. Let's walk. Gale, walk. Walk. Good boy. And I'm doing this with his mouth today, and he is responding well to it. Gale, whoa. Whoa. I've never heard that word before. Yeah, you can fuss all you want, but you whoa. Whoa. Good boy. Whoa. Gale, walk on. Walk on. Good boy. That's right. Walk on. Trot. It was obvious we weren't going to get a walk, so I asked for a trot instead. It's good to be a step ahead. Gale, come around, come left, come around, come left. Yes, good boy. Let's walk. Easy. Good boy. Gale, whoa. Look at you. You finally remembered what voice commands were. What a good boy.